All right, here's the problem. Here's the solution. So I've been wanting to make a POV driving video for a long time, and I tried, but this sound just annoyed the crap out of me. And I don't really notice it while I'm driving, but in a video, it's pretty apparent. So I'm gonna go down there and just go at it with WD-40. Let's try to get that in there. This might not be the right tube. Maybe it needs a little WD-40 itself, you know? All right, we found one. We're good now. 2 WD-40s later. Why? I can't really tell what's squeaking, which is the unfortunate bit. I was able to figure it out. That joint right there, that's connected to the clutch pedal. I don't know if you can see it moving. That needed grease hella, and now the squeak is actually gone, which is fantastic. There's just no sound, which is fantastic. It's been bugging me for like a year. And I've already tried to spray the pedal like a million times, and I was just spraying in the wrong spot, so we're all fixed. I know this will probably be a quick video, but I appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, I've had zero time to make any videos, and I've done nothing to this car pretty much this year. Finally having a week off kind of gave me the time to just look at everything, kind of button up the small stuff that I've wanted to kind of tune up a little bit. There's not much more I have to do, really. I'm gonna do probably a big clean on this car, see if I can buff out the roof and stuff. The roof is pretty bad, and the paint in general just needs some TLC. I'd love to wash the engine bay, like get up in there with some brushes and see what I can do, but I'm kind of worried about all my electronics. The headlights could use a little bit of sanding as well. But other than that, man, nothing really needs to be done. I'm pretty happy with where the car is at right now. I do want to get just regular sedan front fenders and ditch the flares, to be honest. Like fix up some of the body lines on the bumper and get that touched up. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with where the car is at, driving wonderfully. And now that that squeak is gone, I can finally do a POV for you guys. But yeah, there she is. And I hope you guys enjoyed.